Michael Smiley and Chelsea Crow were in court this week facing a number of charges in connection with the death of 24-year-old Taya Rae Anne Sinclair of Saskatoon in 2022. Court heard from the Crown that Sinclair was held captive and killed in Saskatoon before her burned remains were found in a snow dump behind a hospital in Prince Albert. On day one of the trial, Monday, January 12th, Chelsea Crow pled guilty to assault and unlawful confinement for holding Sinclair and her boyfriend, Kenneth Bell, tied up in a closet. She was originally charged with manslaughter. Her sentencing hearing is set for January 30th. Co-accused Michael Smiley is charged with first-degree murder in this case. His judge-only trial is expected to continue for another 10 days. A third person charged in connection with the case appeared as a Crown witness. Stephanie Halkett Stevenson was sentenced to 18 years in prison without eligibility for parole for 9 after she pled guilty to manslaughter, assault, and unlawful confinement in November 2024. She described taking Sinclair to Smiley's home, tying her up in the basement, and returning later to find her dead under a tarp. She also testified that Smiley told her to clean up her mess and that she later helped transport Sinclair's body from Saskatoon to Prince Albert, where the body was lit on fire. With week 1 of a 3-week trial behind us, the Crown will continue with their evidence before Smiley's defense takes over in the coming days. There's word that Smiley himself could take the stand, as well as expert witnesses and police. Rachel May, APTN National News, Saskatoon.
The RCMP says it's making a database of child sex offenders available to the public for the first time. The RCMP says only the offenders deemed as high risk are included in the database, which it says is meant to help the public get informed and make decisions when it comes to protecting children.